There's still some wild out there. Those grayed out sections on maps that map makers haven't gotten to yet. Places where cell service and calendar reminders don't exist. But you have to get out there and look for it. And to look for it, you need something that's just as wild as the wild. You need something that can look adventure in the eye and give it a firm handshake. Something built with the toughness of an F-Series and the spirit of a Mustang. Something that's not happy until it takes you through whatever creek or snow or mud or mountain trail or dune or logging road or landmark with death in its name. You need a Bronco. Built as wild as what you're looking for. On August 11th, 1965, Ford Motor Company introduced the world to the Ford Bronco, America's first SUV.
Bronco, blazing a new trail of excitement.
A vehicle that reshaped the 4x4 landscape forever. And today, it's going to do it again. And this time, it's not just one horse. It's a whole family. Introducing the all-new Bronco two-door. Built to take on the toughest terrain you can find. And the new Bronco four-door. Built to give you the most open-air experience. And the Bronco Sport. Built to truly reconnect with the great outdoors. Introducing the Bronco family. Built with adventure in mind. Built to take Americans back into the wild. Built to be bigger than just the vehicles themselves. Built with the toughness of an F-Series and the spirit of a Mustang. Built to be the future of off-roading. A family of vehicles that are all built wild. By built wild, we mean being able to get where you need to go. Have the kinds of adventures you want while you're there, and get back again. Because it went through Built Wild extreme durability testing. We took the Built Ford Tough testing platform and then pushed it into the toughest terrains across the United States. And to get through that rigorous testing, you need to be able to handle it. You need to have capability, durability, and the most innovative designs. So we gave it just that. We gave every Bronco vehicle 4x4 standard across the whole family. No other American brand can say that. And the two-door and four-door have an available best-in-class maximum ground clearance for when you're taking on the wild. Bronco rewrites the record books with an available best-in-class maximum breakover angle, departure angle, and crawl ratio. And available 35-inch tires on every series right out of the factory. No other vehicle in its class can say that. And the Bronco Sport also has an available ground clearance that is better than key competitors, allowing for better approach angles and water weighting. We think your tires should work smarter and harder. So we used innovative tech to offer the Bronco two-door and four-door available front and rear locking differentials so they can lock the Dana axles, sending traction to four wheels instead of two. And we gave the Bronco Sport an available twin-clutch rear-drive unit with a rear differential lock feature, allowing for greater off-road performance. And for when the wild really gets rough, we gave the Bronco 2-door and 4-door an available hydraulic stabilizer bar disconnect system. So as you encounter the tough types of terrains that make the wild fun, you can flex and crawl over any and all obstacles. And on Bronco, you can activate this even while under load, and it will use smart technology to automatically reconnect after you've conquered whatever obstacle you were taking on. And all Broncos come standard with terrain management systems with up to 7 available GOAT modes. So whether you're going through snow or rocks or dirt or sand or mud or water, the Bronco has you covered at the click of a dial. And that's just the beginning. Because it's more than just capable. It's capable with lots of power. Because Bronco 2-door and 4-door have an available EcoBoost engine projected to produce over 300 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. And with first-to-market available 10-speed automatic transmission or 7-speed manual, you can keep all that horsepower and torque in its power band. And the Bronco Sport is targeting unparalleled power with 245 horsepower and 275 pound-feet of torque. Plus, Bronco has best-in-class available suspension travel because the Bronco family has a Haas system. The 2- and 4-door go a step further, offering an optional Haas system with Bilstein position-sensitive dampers. Similar to the trophy trucks that race at Baja and the Ultra 4 trucks that race at King of the Hammers, this new Haas suspension system is key to the high-performance off-road prowess of the Bronco, using modern independent front suspension to keep you riding smooth at higher speeds than you could with a solid front axle. You can enjoy the great outdoors to its fullest, with doors and a roof that you can take off, and store 4 doors in the vehicle on the Bronco 4-door, with max open-air experience, because there's no beam in the middle to block your view. And with body-mounted mirrors, you can enjoy the doors-off experience without losing sight of what's behind you. And you can enjoy the feeling of open air whenever and wherever you want, because they can be put back on just as quickly and easily. Capability and speed are important, but so is staying connected. So the Bronco family is built with technology and convenient interior displays, including an available 12-inch screen on Bronco 2-door and 4-door, and an 8-inch screen on Bronco Sport. Built with the heritage of more than 55 years of off-roading, combined with modern technological advancements. Like available trail maps that can be downloaded right to the Ford Pass Performance app with off-road navigation and seamlessly integrated with your Bronco. Trail maps that allow you to not just find a new trail, but document all the details of that new trail. And once you've completed it, you can share it with whoever you want. The future of off-roading means more visibility. It means seeing everything you need to see and everything your tires are up against at all times, with the class-exclusive available 360-degree camera with off-road spotter views on Bronco 2-door and 4-door. The Bronco Sport is ready for whatever adventure you decide to take on, because it was built for that. Built with a cargo management system that allows for not just a lot of cargo space, but the smartest use of cargo space. With class-exclusive hidden storage under the second row and class-exclusive available MOLLE straps on the back of the seats, just for a little extra gear. And an available slide-out table to prep all that gear before heading on your next big adventure. Plus, more than 200 factory-backed aftermarket accessories on Bronco and over 100 on Bronco Sport, and those numbers are only going up. Not to mention available accessories that are orderable from the factory, like rock rails on 2-door and 4-door, an interior bike rack on Bronco Sport, and roof racks on all Broncos. The Bronco family is built for all the things that make the wild worth getting back to. With the built wild capability to take on any type of terrain, the speed to take you over more of it, and the tools to take on adventures while you're there. You need a Bronco. The all-new Bronco family. Built as wild as what you're looking for.